If you had...
Just gonna stand there and watch me burn. That's alright, because I like the way it hurts. Just gonna stand there and hear me cry. That's alright, because I love the way you lie. I love the way you lie. I can't tell you what it really is, only what it feels like. And right now there's a steel knife in my windpipe. I can't breathe but I still fight. While I can't fight, as long as the wrong feels right. It's like I'm in flight, high off the love, drunk from the hate. It's like I'm huffing pain, and I love it. The more I suffer, I suffocate. Right before I'm about to drown, she resuscitates me. She fucking hates me. I love it. Wait, where are you going? I'm leaving you. No, you ain't come back. We're running right back. Here we go again. It's so insane, 'cause when it's going good, it's going great. I'm Superman with the wind in his bag. She's Lois Lane. But when it's bad, it's awful. I feel so ashamed. I snap, who's that dude? I don't even know his name. I laid hands on her. I'll never stoop so low again. I guess I don't know my own strength. Just gonna stay